Welcome to this instructional video on the Hunter knuckle bend. As part of Hunter's solvent waste weld system, we have a 40mm knuckle bend adapter, which not only helps in situations where you have limited space to the vertical connection from a basin or sink trap, but can also get you out of a tight spot when you need to make a sharp bend straight from the stack. As you would with other boss adapters, please ensure the boss connection is ready by selecting an open boss or locate the dimple on the closed boss and drill a hole with a 48mm cutter. The knuckle bend adapter has two different diameter sockets, one socket suited to pipe and one socket suited to your boss, alleviating the need for a small section of pipe between connections. You will notice that only one end of the knuckle bend will fit securely into the boss, which is also clearly marked on the adapter to help with installation. Like our solvent boss adapters, you will want to place a layer of adhesive on the inside of the boss by using your solvent cement. Then, to ensure an odour and watertight fit, place a layer on the outside of the knuckle bend that will make connection to the boss. You can then place over your pre-drilled boss and push in securely to install, making sure you've allowed for an adequate fall in the waste pipe. For more information on products or installation, please visit the Learning Centre on the Hunter website.